You're on your way to enjoying clean, filtered water at the touch of a button. Use this installation video along with your owner's manual to install your new A.O. Smith Clean Water Machine. Before you begin, make sure you read the owner's manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. You will need to have all of the box contents. First, prime the pump. Plug in your system into the nearest outlet. Fill your dispenser with tap water. Place the dispenser firmly on the dock and then hold down the button until water is successfully dispensed. Then, unplug the system before you install the filter. Remove the dispenser, and with the filtration dock facing forward, use the grips on the left side of the top cover to slide to the right until it lifts up and off. Remove the plastic from the filter cartridge and place it into the dock with the male end up. Replace the top cover by pressing it firmly down and rotate it left until it fully locks in. Once the filter is installed, plug the filtration dock back into a nearby outlet. You'll need to flush the filter before drinking. Filling your dispenser with water, hold down the dispenser button and filter all the water through. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water.